Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be comparing the three different types of Willis bags: the standard Willis, the Willis City Bag, and the Winnie Bag, which is like the miniature Willis. So I'll be showing you the three different types of bags. So here's the first one, the standard Willis. So this one's kind of on the medium to large size, and it actually measures approximately 10.5 by 3 by 9 inches. And here's what the sides and back looks like. It's got this nice deep slip pocket back here, and as you can see, it's got the larger lobster claw clasp, which is actually different than the Winnie bag, so I'll show you the hardware on that one in a second. And then next we've got the Willis City Bag, which is kind of a similar variation of the standard Willis, but I would say a little shorter and a little bit wider on the sides, or a little bit longer. So this is another option if you like the style of the Willis but just want something a little bit maybe shorter but still has a lot of storage space. And as you can see, it's got a nice deep slip pocket back here as well. And then this one measures approximately 12.5 by 3 by 7.5 inches. So it's, you know, obviously a little shorter and wider than the Willis bag I just showed you. And then last but not least, we've got the Winnie Bag. So this one is probably one of the most popular and highly sought after vintage coach styles. And the Winnie Bag measures 7 by 7 by 3 inches approximately. So this one's also got a slip pocket back here. This is my personal bag that I carry with me daily, and this one also has a crossbody strap, but the hardware is different, and also the D-rings are on the side rather than on the top. Or I guess I should say it has D-rings where the other bags, the straps just attach here to the top handle hardware. So I'll show you, it's also got much smaller dog leash clasps rather than the lobster claw clasps. I'll show you the comparison. It's just, so this is like the standard and City Willis bags, and then this is the Winnie bag. So obviously the hardware is going to be different because the Winnie bag is so much smaller. But anyway, hopefully that gives you a good idea of the different sizes of the different styles of Willis bags. So here's also a side-by-side comparison, so you can kind of have a better visual of the different size and shapes of the Willis bags. I was also going to mention all these bags were made around the same time period, the 90s or early 2000s, and they were all made in the US. The Winnie bag I know was, or I believe was only made in 1997, so this bag would have been made in 97. I believe this one was made in the year 2000, and then this standard Willis was made in 96, so they're all made within about, you know, however many years, was that like 5 years, within 5 years of each other, and they were all made in the US. So hopefully that gives you a better idea of the different sizes and variations of the vintage coach Willis bag, which is, I would say, one of the most popular vintage coach bags to this day. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to link them below. Oh, and I was also going to mention the Willis and the City Willis are linked below, and I will link them below in our Etsy shop. The Winnie bag is my personal bag, so unfortunately that one's not for sale, but I do have a couple of other Winnie bags in the shop that I can link below as well if anybody wants to check them out. But thank you so much for watching, and take care. I'll see you in the next video.